Chicken noodle soup with curry. First, I'm going to add the olive oil and let it come up to a higher temperature. Then chopped carrots, put the lid on and let the carrots cook for a couple of minutes. Now add the onions, red bell pepper, jalapenos, garlic, and ginger. Give it a good stir and let this cook until the onions are almost translucent. Add the Indian curry and let this cook a bit. Now, the chicken broth, which is unsalted, add nature seasoning, which is salt, garlic, pepper, and parsley, and here come the noodles. I use rotisserie chicken, but you can make your own, but it saves a lot of time. Add lime zest and juice. This really brightens the soup. Cilantro or parsley if you prefer, and now we add the spinach. Just heat until the spinach wilts, and we are done. Find the recipe on DarlenesTable.com.